We all chase after money, but few understand it's just a tool. True wealth isn't just a number, it's a journey. The Money Guide outlines 5 levels of wealth, each representing a unique milestone on your financial journey. The question is, where do you stand? Stick around as we break down these levels and share actionable steps to move up the wealth ladder. Level 1. Financial stability. You can cover your basic expenses, pay your bills, but one emergency could wipe you out. Recent study shows that 29% of US households have jobs but struggle to cover basic needs, with many just being one emergency away from poverty. But hey, if you are here, don't panic. You are ahead of 37.9 million Americans who already live in poverty. Your mission now is to build an emergency fund that's enough to cover 6 to 9 months of living expenses. That's your safety net for job loss, medical emergencies, or other unexpected expenses. So, here's a super simple trick to get the emergency fund growing. Pay yourself first. Treat savings like rent, automatic deductions. Don't wait till the end of the month when there's nothing left. Make it a non-negotiable part of your budget. A bonus tip: stash it in a high-interest savings account that lets your money grow passively even while you sleep. And most importantly, if you are carrying credit card debt, paying it off should be your top priority. A credit card's interest rate is roughly around 20%, which means your balance can double in just 4 years if you only meet the minimum payment. Imagine owing $10,000 today. By doing nothing, the debt balloons to $20,000 with zero extra spending. And here's the kicker: US today has hit 1.17 trillion in credit card debt, an all-time high. With delinquency rate at 3.23%, the highest in 12 years. That's just crazy. Paying off credit card debt isn't just smart, it's survival. Every dollar you put towards the debt saves you from throwing 20 cents per dollar straight into the bank's pocket. By acting now, you are not just freeing up cash flow and boosting your credit score, you are stopping the snowball before it buries you alive. Next, moving on to level 2, financial strategy. Here you are not just surviving, you are thriving. This level is all about making your money work for you. Investment in stocks, bonds, real estate, starting a side hustle, the possibilities are endless. But don't dive in blindly. Research is your best friend. Always understand the risks and rewards of each investment option. For every success story, there's a horror story of someone who lost it all by diving in without doing their homework. Take Warren Buffett for example. He didn't become a billionaire by betting on every flashy stock that came along. He built his wealth through years of careful research and disciplined investing. So, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket and regularly review your investments. Market change, so does your goals. Stay adaptable and adjust your strategy accordingly. Don't let one wrong move send you right back to level 1. If you are finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel and keeps you updated with our latest content. Moving on to level 3, financial security. You are no longer sweating the small stuff. Grabbing that daily latte or dining out no longer feels like a guilty pleasure, but rather a reward for your smart money management. But beware of lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it's easy to fall into the trap of spending more. Just because you can afford to upgrade your car or move into a bigger house doesn't mean you should. Remember, financial security doesn't mean you're invincible. It just means you got a better shoe. Upgrading your lifestyle too quickly can sabotage the progress you've made so far. Take John for example. He's got a raise and immediately bought a luxurious car. To afford it, he decided to cut back on his investments by $200 per month. Seems small, right? But over 10 years, that seemingly small cutback would have grown to a whopping $40,969. While the luxurious car might bring immediate satisfaction, it could jeopardize your long-term financial goals. If you are curious about other common financial misconceptions that could be holding you back, I've covered 4 more in another video. Check out the link in the description below. So, instead of chasing material possessions, use this stage to plan for your future. Early retirement, travel the world, Launching their dream project? Now's the time to lay the groundwork. Dream big, plan smart, and stay disciplined. Ensure that your lifestyle upgrades don't come at the expense of your long-term financial goals. Stepping into the fourth level, financial freedom. Every day feels like a weekend. Wake up, take a deep breath, and do what makes you happy. No more 9 to 5 grind, no more financial anxiety. You're in control. But don't get complacent. Always stress test your plans. What if the market crashes? What if you face unexpected medical expenses? How long will your savings last? This isn't about being pessimistic, it's about being prepared. And remember, life changes, so does your goals. What you wanted in your 40s may not be the same in your 50s and 60s. Regularly review your plan and adjust accordingly. Ensure your wealth isn't just for today, but built to last lifetime. If needed, consider working with a financial planner to run detailed projections on your cash flow, net worth, and retirement plan. Factor in taxes, healthcare costs, and other long-term expenses to ensure you're not underestimating your needs. And finally, the pinnacle of wealth, the fifth level, financial abundance. Money is no longer just about you, it becomes a force for good. Imagine a life where your wealth isn't just about accumulating more, but about creating a lasting positive impact on the world. You have the resources to fund groundbreaking research, support underprivileged communities, or invest in social enterprises that address critical global challenges. These are the hallmarks of true abundance. This level isn't about showing off or flaunting your wealth. It's about using your privilege to lift others up. You found a way to align your wealth with your values, turning your resources into a force for meaningful changes. Leaving a legacy that extends beyond your lifetime becomes the ultimate goal. A ripple effect of positive changes that impacts generations to come. That, my friends, is a true definition of financial abundance. A life of purpose, impact, and lasting legacy. Remember, everyone's wealth journey is unique. It starts off with financial stability, where you secure the basics, then financial strategy, where you make your money work for you, followed by financial security, where your careful planning starts to pay off, then financial freedom, where you gain control over your time and choices, and finally, financial abundance, where your wealth empowers you to create lasting legacy. So, let me know in the comments, which level are you at and what's your financial goals? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.